Thank you for stopping by. If I can assist you, please contact me at 336-870-7209 Custom-built brick one-owner home in the heart of the Triad. From the moment you step onto the covered front porch entering through the double doors, you are greeted with 10-foot ceilings, a spacious open floor plan. Your eyes drawn straight out the back of the home onto the covered screen porch and fenced backyard. To the left, the primary bedroom, 2 additional bedroom, billiard room, laundry. The right, kitchen, den, dinette area, walkout patio. The kitchen a chef's delight. The island is massive and walk-in pantry. Great location to entertain. Wonderful feature of this home is the privacy of an inch-law suite designed for wheelchair access. Its own private bath, walk-in closet, easily accessible fixtures. Upstairs you will find an expansive room with a half bath, media center that may be used as a bonus area or a 5th bedroom. Wood-burning fireplace.